All right, so the $1,000,000 question is how do I get him out of the car now that I've got him home? All right, let's unbox some bikes. What we have today is the Re-Road R1 Plus, the Ventus 1 Plus, and the Arctic Leopard XE Pro S here. Man, thank you again to my friend Sam actually for coming over real quick and helping me get this one off the roof. I was able to slide these two inside the car and put this one on the roof. So it was definitely one of those ones where a nice little trip back. I definitely not well rested, but excited anyways. Let's see. Knife here, so we're gonna start unboxing it and stuff.